First, choose a secure installation environment. Because the industrial chiller will produce high temperature during operation, it is necessary to keep away from all kinds of flammable and explosive substances. In addition, many environments with high radiation will also do great harm to the chiller. In order to prolong the service life of industrial chillers, it is necessary to select the appropriate installation environment. Second, choose an installation environment with good lighting. In order to ensure a good view in the later period, so that employees can carry out inspection, maintenance, and servicing in the later period. The third is to choose a low ambient temperature and well-ventilated installation environment. The unit will generate more heat during use. In order to maintain the stability of the industrial chiller, it is necessary to select a place with low temperature and good ventilation for installation, so that the unit can dissipate heat in time. Especially for air-cooled chillers, air circulation is very important to improve the overall working efficiency of the equipment.